And that crater in the middle northwest, the one that's out there all by itself like a starburst?
Uh-huh.
That one's called Copernicus. Listen to me. I feel like I'm teaching school.
No. Please, continue the lesson. I never found lunar geography so fascinating. You're quite knowledgeable.
When I was 11, I had diphtheria. I was quarantined for 3 months. So my father brought this telescope and he put it next to my bed so I could see everything out the window. Emmett, do you think we'll ever be able to travel to the moon the way we travel across the country on trains?
Definitely. Although not for another 84 years and not on trains. We'll have space vehicles, capsules settle off with rockets, devices that create giant explosions. Explosions so powerful that they
break the pull of the Earth's gravity and send the projectile through outer space. Damn it! I read that book too. You're quoting Jules Verne from The Earth to the Moon.
You've read Jules Verne.
I adore Jules Verne.
So do I. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, my absolute favorite. The first time I read that when I was a little boy, why I wanted to meet Captain Nemo.
Jeez, Emmett, you couldn't have read that when you were a little boy. It was only first published 10 years ago.
Oh, yes. Well, I meant it made me feel like a boy. I never met a woman who liked Jules Verne before.
I never ever met a man like you before.